We are overexcited to see the light in our place for the first time.
I think the lighting system is very good in the sense that electricity is very far from us, and as you can see that it's a solar system and we don't need electricity to use this.
It's based on LED technology and it's powered by batteries that are charged by solar panels. So it works completely off-grid and you can use it everywhere you want.